The market cap of the whole crypto industry back then, I still had the screenshot, was 1 billion. Yeah, 1 billion. That's how big it was, it was small, obviously, right? And, today it's actually, depending on the price, obviously, but it's like 4 trillion. It's 4,000x increase, price-wise at least, in the 10 years, So I think it just shows how early it was back then, but also how fast we're growing, right? Because people also anticipate something like this, not like that growth, but, it will continue. And to be honest, it's just been a blast so far. But it was in the early days, I tell you, because I came from the hedge fund background. I was a trader at the hedge fund. Imagine then you create a startup, and then people ask you, but what are you actually doing? And you're trying to explain anything. And then if they heard anything, they would say, what is Mt. Gox? And by the way, they would also ask, what is Silk Road?
I remember. Yeah. To be fair, that was my first sort of mention of Bitcoin, I guess. At university, a friend of mine was saying, oh yeah, I'm buying drugs on Silk Road. It's
that's what it was actually.
And then we're using this money. And at the time, I was kind of oof. Hindsight, I don't even know whether or not, because a lot of people, I think they didn't actually ever hold Bitcoin. I think they just used to, traded it. But I never actually caught up with him, and I should ask him, hey, did you ever still have some of that Bitcoin?